Hi, we're Dacotah Studio. I'm Tina and this is Shawn, and we want to help you understand your outdoor space. There are a lot of factors that go into designing your outdoor space, whether you're resurfacing your deck or you're putting in a new deck. Things to consider when designing your deck would be the slope or the grade of your backyard, the soil condition, and also if there's any existing structures that you want to consider. If you have sloped or graded conditions, it's a great opportunity to do a multi-tiered deck. A multi-tiered deck is great for creating those intimate zones in your backyard space. However, they could come with a higher price tag, and you do want to make sure that you're using a skilled carpenter or builder to execute your multi-tier deck. This is just one example of how your existing space could impact your design. We always recommend walking your backyard and understanding your existing conditions before you get into the design process.
If you run into challenges in designing your backyard space, you can go to Trex.com.
Yeah, they're filled with knowledge and inspiration to help turn that challenge into your dream backyard.